mutants, born with extraordinary abilities. And yet still, they are children, stumbling in the dark, searching for guidance. A gift can often be a curse. Give someone wings and they may fly too close to the sun. Give them the power of prophecy, and they may live in fear of the future. Give them the greatest gifts of all, powers beyond imagination, and they may think they are meant to rule the world. Your mind is the most powerful I've ever seen. It can convince itself.
No, it's not just the mind reading or the telekinesis, it's something else. Some dark power inside, and it's growing like a fire. I don't know how to stop. I don't know what's happening to me. When I lose control, things happen, bad things, to people I love. But it feels good.
When an individual acquires great power, the use or misuse of that power is everything. Will it be for the greater good, or will it be used for personal or for destructive ends? Now, this is a question we must all ask ourselves. Why? Because we are mutants.
There's so much more to you than you know. Not just pain and anger. It's good too, I felt it. When you can access all that, you'll possess a power no one can match.